Hi, Professor Pishwa. This is Lab 3, Experiment of Properties of Gases. Okay, I'm going to do the part with hydrogen because it's going to take more than 5 minutes to do the whole thing. So, as you can see, we're already set up with all the ingredients that we need for this lab all together. First, I have the test tube here. I already set it up on the instructions that it gives me here because it will take me forever to set it up. So I want to show you part of the experiment at least. This is HCl, hydrochloric acid of 2 meters. I'm gonna put some here in the test tube. And then, as the instructions tell me to do, take a piece of zinc. I don't know if you're able to see it in there. And I'm going to drop it into the test tube. Now he's asked me to actually cover it with this rubber thing. It's right there. It also asked me to fill one of these wide neck pipette or pipette, I'm not sure how it's pronounced, I think it's pipette ball, completely with water. I know you're not going to be able to see all the water in here, but it is here. And it says to invert it quickly, place it on top of the test tube gas delivery tube right here, which is that little tube in here. So here I go. It's there, it's full of water. I guess this is gonna take a while. It's not as fast as I thought it would be. You can see a little bit of bubbles in there in the inside the test tube in there. So you can tell that there is some action going on in there, you know, some chemical reactions between the zinc and the HCl. Like I said, it seems like it's going to take a while. So what I'm going to do for now is to show you that we have that we set up right all this. It asks you after the whole reaction, after the liquid, the whole thing goes away. It says to place it in a tin pie or pie tin because water is going to overflow when the water in the pivot bulb is displayed by gas. So eventually this water is going to come out, and you can see it right now coming out actually. So the gas is going into there you go, you saw a bubble there. So the gas is going into the water here, and of course the water has to go somewhere. So it's going to be displaced to the side. That's the reason we have this pie tin here, because we don't want to make a mess of water all over the place. Once again, it's going to take a while because the pipette is full. So eventually, there's another bubble is forming in there. Eventually it's going to go off. But this is going to take, it seems like, quite some time. After that, the instruction says that then when the water is completely clear from the pipette, to remove it, keep it inverted, so facing the opening facing down, place your finger into it, then put it sideways. You know, put the finger or your thumb so you can, there's water coming out, you can see it, I'm pretty sure you can. There's some water coming out, there's some bubble going on in there. You know, you want to, after the water completely, after the pipette goes full with gas, just to remove it, put your thumb on it to avoiding the gas that is in the pipette to be released. Then after that, light up a match, put the pipette sideways, then keeping it, I think it's 1 centimeter, yeah, 1 centimeter from the flame, and then squeeze the pipette a little bit in small portion of the contents of the piper into the flame and observe what's happened. Then I will tell you what will happen. So like I said, I was trying just to show you what I was doing here. Everything is set up. I guess tomorrow I will send you all the information over the email, but I mean, I'm working in this project with Mr. Philip once again. There's water coming out, so thank you, Professor Pishwa, and I will see you on Tuesday morning or afternoon. Thank you. Have a good day.